Alright guys, so today we're going to be looking at solving quadratic equations. It's important for you to remember this. R-O-X-S. Roots, zeros, x-intercepts, and solutions. They're all the same thing. Okay? So, number one, you're trying to find the solutions. It's the same as the x-intercepts. It's here at 0 and at -4. Okay, so that's how you're going to do those. Looking at a table, your x-intercepts is when the y is 0. Okay, so looking at this one, it's 0 here and here. So your y-intercept is -5 and -3. Okay, remember that you can also type these into stat. Get the equation, type that in, and you can see from the graph there as well. Okay. Now, finding the solutions using factors. There's two ways you can do this. You can do x minus 2 equals 0 and x plus 3 equals 0. That's just splitting these up. Then you solve for x. So x here equals +2. Then you subtract the 3 on this side. X equals 0 minus 3 is -3. And your solutions would be 2 and -3. Or take out your calculator, type this into y equals. So you have x minus 2, x plus 3. Graph. You can look here and see that they are at -3 and +2. You can also go to the table, find when y is 0. Y is 0 at 2 and -3. Okay, so it's the different ways you can do that. Okay, number 12. Number 12. Same thing. You can type this in to y equals and find out where it crosses the x-axis. Okay, flip your paper over. Number 15. Again, you do the same thing. It must be equal to 0 though. If it's not, you need to move something over. Like right here, you'll need to move that one over. So it has 0 equals -2x squared plus 7x minus 3. Okay. Then number 18, you don't have to do that one. Okay, I didn't like that one. You don't have to do that one. But number 19, again, you'll do the same thing. It's important for you to remember f of x is the same as what? It's the same as y. So it's the same as saying y equals. And remember that forever. Okay, and then number 21, same deal. Type this in. See where it crosses through the x-axis. Now some of these are going to be fractions. Okay, so I'm going to double show you how to do that. So we're going to type this one in. Y equals, we have 3x squared plus 23x plus 14. Graph. Okay, so we know for sure, it looks like it's going through -7. Let's double check. Let's go to -7. Yes, so it is going through -7. But the other one is between 1 and 0. Okay, if you look right here, it's crossing between 1 and 0. We know we have -7 between 1 and 0. So you can do this. Second trace, you want to find the 0. So 2. Left bound, so go to the left side of this particular y-intercept, okay? You want this thing on the left side of this one. Hit enter. Then go to the right side of this one. Do you see this arrow? Go to the right side of this one. Hit enter. There's another little arrow. What you just said is the 0 I want you to find is between these two arrows right here. Hit enter one more time. It says it's at -0.6 forever. So quit. -0.6666666. Math, enter. -2/3. Okay, so you can definitely find out which one it is. And remember, if it does not cross the x-axis, then there is no real solutions. Okay, they're imaginary solutions. All right, so finish this up. Be sure to submit your answers online and turn in your paper when you're done. to get your STAAR test and do your STAAR test corrections so that you can make 100 on your quiz tomorrow. Let me know if you need any help. Good luck.